It's repo time!
They had a repossession order for a dirt bike in transit. He changed his address multiple times, making him impossible to find. But in the end, another rider led them straight to him.
Stephen Strump?
Yes, mate.
Yeah, it's a repossession order for your motorbike and the transit.
Why?
Because you haven't been paying for it, that's why.
I've paid for this.
Well, we wouldn't be here then, would we? Hang on, let's have a look. No, yeah, 4 months behind on that one and 5 months behind on that one.
It's a joke, mate.
What's the joke? What, you haven't been paying?
I've paid for that.
You haven't paid for that?
Who told you I was here?
I did,
Why?
because you was gobbing off earlier and you should pay your bills.
Hey, you see if the keys are in there, mate? Got the keys?
What's going on, Steve?
Try to repo my bike.
Nah, you're not taking that.
We are taking it.
Nah, pick on somebody
We are
else.
taking it.
Nah, get on the bike.
What's he got to do with
Go on,
you?
go on.
What do you mean get on your bike? Okay, go ahead. Craig, chuck his around me, mate. Hey, jump in the Jeep. Let's go. That was eventful.